Hazrat Atta reports, when Ibn Hisham prevented women from performing tawaf along with men, he said, "How can you prevent them doing so when the Prophet's wives made circuit along with men?" I asked, "Before or after the commandment related to well?" He, Atta, said, "By my life, I saw them after the commandment of well had been sent down." I said, "How would men intermingle with them?" He said, "Men would not mix with them." Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha would make circuit, keeping herself aloof from men, and would not mix with them. A woman said, "O the believer's mother, let's go to kiss the black stone." She said, "You should go," and she herself refused to go. She would go out at night so that she might not be recognized and perform tawaf along with men, but entered the Kaaba at the time when men would be asked to vacate the house. I and Ubayd bin Umair went to Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha when she was dwelling at Jawf Tahbir. I asked, what was her, Hazrat Aisha's well? He said she was in a Turkish tent with a curtain hanging over it, and there was nothing else between us and her, and I saw her attired in pink shirt. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1618.